Ever wondered why Bali is considered a paradise on Earth? This enchanting island, nestled in the heart of the Indonesian archipelago, is often hailed as a traveler's utopia. But what makes Bali so special? Is it the sun-kissed beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see? Or the emerald green rice terraces that paint the countryside? Perhaps it's the vibrant culture, deeply rooted in tradition yet pulsating with a modern rhythm. Or could it be the warmth of the Balinese people, their smiles as infectious as their spirit? The truth is, Bali is all this and so much more. It's a sensory feast, where every experience is a delightful concoction of sights, sounds and flavors. It's a place that leaves an indelible mark on your soul, long after the sand has been washed off your feet. Today, we delve into the enchanting stories of people who have experienced the magic of Bali firsthand. Meet Alex, a surfer from Australia, whose love for waves brought him to Bali. Alex is not just any surfer. He is a wave chaser, a thrill seeker, a man who finds his rhythm in the ebb and flow of the ocean. Bali to him is not just a tropical paradise, it's a canvas where he paints his surfing tales. In his own words, every wave in Bali tells a story. It's about the anticipation as you paddle out, the adrenaline rush as you catch the wave, and the pure joy of riding it. It's a dance with nature where every move counts. Bali's coastline is dotted with surfing spots, each with its own unique character. Alex talks about Uluwatu, with its world-class left-hand reef break that challenges even the most seasoned surfers. Then there's Kuta, a beloved spot for beginners and pros alike, known for its sandy bottom and friendly waves. And let's not forget Echo Beach, a black sand beach that's a magnet for surfers, thanks to its powerful waves and the stunning views it offers. But for Alex, the real charm of Bali's surf spots is not just about the waves. It's about the people, the camaraderie, the shared experiences. He says, when you're out there, waiting for the waves, you're not alone. You're part of a tribe, a community of surfers who share the same passion. And that's what makes surfing in Bali special. It's not just about catching the perfect wave, it's about the friendships forged, the stories shared, the memories created. He smiles, a glint in his eyes, as he talks about the sunsets after a day of surfing, the laughter echoing around a bonfire, the shared meals, the sense of belonging. For him, Bali is more than just a surf spot. It's a home away from home, a place where he finds his tribe, his people. For Alex, Bali is not just an island, it's a surfer's paradise. Now let's hear from Sarah, a culture enthusiast from England. Stepping off the plane, the scent of incense and the warmth of the Balinese air wrapped around her like a comforting blanket. Sarah's journey into the heart of Bali's rich heritage and tradition had begun. It was a voyage marked not by miles traveled, but by experiences lived and moments savored. Her first encounter was with the intricate Balinese temples, each one a masterpiece of architecture and spirituality. The ornate carvings, the towering Meru towers, and the tranquil gardens, each element a testament to Bali's profound spiritual identity. The temples were not just places of worship, but were woven into the fabric of daily life, standing as silent witnesses to the island's centuries-old traditions. Next, she was drawn to the mesmerizing traditional dances. The barong and the legong, stories told through movement, rhythm, and vibrant costumes. The dancers, with their expressive eyes and fluid gestures, were the storytellers of age-old legends and myths. Sarah found herself lost in the narrative, feeling every emotion, every conflict, every resolution. And then there was the local cuisine. Each dish, a symphony of flavors, a reflection of the island's rich biodiversity. From the spicy bebek betutu to the sweet black rice pudding, Sarah discovered that Balinese food was a journey in itself. A delicious adventure that tantalized her taste buds and left her craving for more. Throughout her journey, Sarah found that the true soul of Bali was in its people. Warm, welcoming, and deeply connected to their land and traditions. She saw a culture that celebrated life, that found joy in the simplest of things, and that embraced every visitor as a friend. Bali for Sarah was not a destination, but a living museum. A place that held the echoes of the past, the vibrancy of the present, and the promise of the future. It was a window into a vibrant and ancient culture, a culture that invited her in, held her close, and left an indelible imprint on her heart. For Sarah, Bali is a living museum, a window into a vibrant and ancient culture. Next, we have Tom, an avid trekker from Canada. To Tom, Bali is a paradise for nature lovers, a place that perfectly combines the thrill of adventure with the soothing tranquility of its natural beauty. Tom's journey began in the lush landscapes of Bali, where every path is a gateway to a new adventure. Trekking through the verdant jungles, he discovered a world teeming with life, where every leaf and every stone tells a story. The air was fresh, the earth beneath his feet felt alive, and the sounds of nature composed a symphony that was music to his ears. His adventures took him to Mount Batur, an active volcano that stands tall and proud, dominating the landscape. As he ascended its slopes, he found himself surrounded by a breathtaking panorama of mist-covered hills and emerald-green valleys. The climb was challenging, but the view from the top, absolutely worth it. From there, he could see the sun rise over the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and orange. It was a sight that he says will stay with him forever. Another highlight of Tom's journey was the tranquil beauty of the Tegalalang rice terraces. Nestled in the heart of Ubud, these terraces are a testament to human ingenuity and the harmonious relationship between man and nature. As Tom walked through the terraces, he was mesmerized by the intricate patterns of the fields, reflecting the sunlight in a dazzling display of green and gold. It was a serene experience, a moment of peace amidst the hustle and bustle of life. But Bali to Tom is more than just its landscapes. It's the warm smiles of the locals, the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, the soothing sound of waves breaking against the shore. It's the feeling of being one with nature, of being part of a larger story that unfolds with every step he takes. For Tom, Bali is a canvas of natural beauty, a place where adventure meets serenity. Finally, meet Maria, a yoga practitioner from Brazil. Maria, with her sun-kissed skin and radiant smile, embarked on a spiritual journey to Bali, a place she now calls her sanctuary. Maria was drawn to Bali not just for its stunning landscapes or vibrant culture, but for something deeper, something more profound. She discovered a sense of peace and tranquility in the lush green town of Ubud, the spiritual heart of Bali. In the quiet corners of this town, amidst the verdant rice fields and serene temples, she found a space to reflect, to breathe, and to simply be. Ubud for Maria is a place of transformation. It's where she deepened her yoga practice, immersing herself in the ancient discipline that unifies the body, mind, and spirit. Ubud is known for its yoga retreats, where seekers from around the world gather to learn, to grow, and to find balance. These retreats, nestled in the embrace of nature, offer an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a chance to disconnect from the outer world and reconnect with the inner self. But the spiritual journey in Bali goes beyond yoga. Maria found herself intrigued by the local wellness practices, an integral part of Balinese culture. From sacred rituals to holistic treatments, these practices aim at harmonizing the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of being. They are rooted in the belief that health and happiness stem from a balanced life. Maria explored traditional healing therapies, experienced the therapeutic power of sound baths, and discovered the art of meditation. These practices, she believes, have enriched her spiritual journey, opening her heart and mind to new dimensions of wellness and well-being. For Maria, Bali is a spiritual sanctuary, a place to unwind and reconnect with oneself. It's a place where she found the harmony she was seeking, a harmony that resonates within her even when she's miles away from this mystical island. For Maria, and for many others, Bali is more than a destination. It's a journey, a spiritual journey that continues to unfold with every sunrise. Bali, a small island with countless experiences. Indeed, as we've traversed through its dynamic landscape, we've seen Bali's many faces. It's a surfer's paradise, with majestic waves that challenge even the most seasoned riders. It's a treasure trove of culture where ancient traditions and modernity coexist in a vibrant tapestry of life. For the nature lovers, it's a haven of lush forests, terraced rice fields, and volcanic mountains that beckon with their siren song. And for those on a spiritual journey, it's a sanctuary where peace and tranquility are not just sought, but found. But above all, Bali is a place that welcomes all and disappoints none. It's a place where every journey is a story waiting to unfold, a memory waiting to be made. It's a place that caters to all, be it the thrill seeker, the culture enthusiast, the nature lover, or the spiritual seeker. Every journey to Bali is unique. Every story is different. What will your Bali story be?